The future is present. Come experience the future with us. Mr. Kiesing, that was what Schubert stands for, the future. What is the future for Schubert?
The future at Schubert is obviously using robotic technology to do automated packaging. And we are happy to be here at Interpark in Düsseldorf, the world's largest trade show. One of the highlights we show here is actually the integration of primary and secondary packaging. In this line over there, where we have pick and place robots, and we take the product and directly wrap it in our flow wrapping technology, the flow module. We could even go into the end packaging and into the cases, onto the pallets. And this integration of primary and secondary packaging, this is made possible with our unique machine control system. And of course also the trans modules transporting the product from one module to the other. Just one of the highlights here.
Before we talk about the other trends here and other innovations you're showing, would you say that this is something that the clients came up with, or do you come up with it as a company yourself?
No, that's clearly a market demand. We see integration of different process steps always has advantages. One of the big advantages is footprint, easy operation, fewer interfaces. Every interface adds complexity, so it's clearly reducing complexity, and that's what our clients are looking for.
Tell me about some of the other highlights and some of the other innovations you're presenting here at the trade fair.
Obviously the best and latest technology is one thing, but supporting that technology in the field is another one. And we have to make sure that we provide the best possible support level. The vision we have when it comes to technical support is that there is not a single unplanned service incident in the future, so no unplanned downtime of the machine anymore. And this is where new technologies like digitization, networking come into play. We show for the first time here our new web-based digital platform, Grips World. Grips World connects our customers, our suppliers with us, but it also connects all the machines we have in the field. And by extracting and collecting the relevant machine data on the performance, on the technical status of the machine, and by analyzing these data accordingly, we can find ways of predicting problems and issues which may come up in production in 2 weeks from now already today, and thereby preventing it. And this is what helps us to achieve an even higher level of production security and, as I mentioned, no unplanned downtime.
But the question of data is also a question where some clients maybe say, oh, we don't really want to give you the data. How do you deal with that problem?
I think we need to prove the value to our clients. If there is a value, the level of IT security, data security has to be addressed, can be addressed. If you fly from London to New York and the engine on the plane is being monitored on every second basically, nobody is questioning the security and safety of the flight itself. But this data is needed for the maintenance engineers when the plane has landed to look after the engine and do what's necessary. And the same applies here. I mean, we are taking sensor data out, temperature data, pressure data, and that's important to get to that new level of production security. It's not data which have or we face the risk of any safety issues for the operators, for example. Yeah.
Mr. Kiesing, thank you for your time. I would say come experience the future here with Schubert in Hall 14, and I'd like to thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.
Thank you.